Hey everyone, what's going on? It's your boy Krebsy Crypto, and I am finally getting moved into my new apartment here. So right now I'm just kind of going through and going to be getting my mining room set up, as you can see here. Before I moved out, I went and bought actual like mining frame and everything, so I'll be getting a motherboard set up there with some graphics cards running here. I have my main computer that's for video editing and such. Got another computer case, got some monitors, got some more graphics cards laying down there. It's nothing too fancy, of course, like I always stick within a budget when it comes to mining and buying graphics cards and such. But I'm also going to be making this like a computer repair room. So as you see on my table there, that's going to probably go across here. And I'm going to be repairing and building computers just to sell, not with my old mining stuff, because I feel if I go to put like mining graphics cards into there that I've used in the past and go to sell them, something might end up going wrong. But anywho, I have two of more desktops here that are going to be used for mining. But overall, I have a pretty nice space to be utilized here when it comes to my dedicated YouTube and mining room. But yeah, overall, I got a nice little window I can open up for some airflow. I get some fans and stuff set up. And overall, it's a nice little space here. It'll be perfect for my office or YouTube room and mining room and repair room. It all in one. I'll be setting all that up over the next day or so. So if this video might be uploaded sometime this week. So if you see this, just know that I will have my mining room set up and everything will be going. I will be updating you guys as I set things up and get things organized, just so I can show you guys this whole process so you know I will be mining myself. And I have, yeah, all my stuff ready to get unpacked here. I moved in yesterday, so Saturday, December 3rd, I think it was. So just keep that in mind. I am still organizing the rest of my apartment as well. But I'm trying to get this set up as fast as possible. But yeah, I'll be keeping you guys up to date. And once it's completed and set up, I'll be going through like a whole tour of it. Like not my apartment, but just like my YouTube room here. So you guys can see firsthand what it's all like. And if you guys have suggestions for things, just let me know. But in the meantime, I will be getting things set up and hopefully it turns out well, and hopefully we can utilize this for my YouTube and mining and things of the sort. Alright, so far this morning we've gotten more things set up here. Got my main computer set up over there. It's for my like editing and just all my YouTube kind of stuff. And over here is going to be like my repair table for all my computers and things. It's obviously kind of disorganized right now, but I'm working to get that all cleaned up and stuff. Then down over here is going to be kind of my mining area. I am going to get a bigger like shelf or stand, whatever you want to call it, so we can have more like organization and better than just sitting on the floor and on there. But as you see, I have one of my AMD cards there. I have an Asus 1060 there. I have a 1060 running right now right there. And I have a 1650 right there, and then just an old 2 GB card if I ever want to do 2 GB tutorials. And then over here are just kind of my display. I'm not going to be running these most likely here, just due to hydro rates and such, but it's my Bitman Z9 mini miner and mine Zcash, and this is my old like Antminer S1 from way back when. So this is not profitable in any manner. This has potential to be if crypto has a run again. But as you see, I have it currently running on nicehash, and I forget what coin it is that it is mining, but currently I'm on K heavy hash. So it's currently like a newer coin. I just can't think of the name right now. Once I do, I'll get back to you guys. But yeah, as you see, it's nothing crazy for profits right now. It's just 10 cents. I just have it like on certain power settings and such. I'm kind of getting the overclock and underclock. I have to get that all reworked since it's been a while. I'm currently working on getting this one set up, so I'll have two more cards running, and then I'll have my 1650 soon enough once I get some more risers. But right now it's just my 1060 right there. But as you see, we're slowly coming together here, and just kind of hour by hour, I'm getting more things organized and cleaned up. That's my main tower there. I'm going to be switching out that case because it's a monster case with a nice new uh, LED, like RGB fan type case. But yeah, overall, things are going very well here. And once this is all set up and complete and cleaned up, I will be showing you guys some more. Alright, so I got most of my mining room set up. I just wanted to show you guys my cool like RGB setup going on here with all my different lights. I finally got that all completed. Got my keyboard there, RGB, a mouse. I got some lights underneath. I got a light in behind. I just wanted to quickly show you guys that. That's my main setup for my editing and things like that. If we turn on the light here, we can come over here and we see we got my mining table slash computer repair station set up. I'm going to be getting another one of these tables probably just to set up here, and that'll be strictly for my mining stuff. I had another small table, but it really wasn't working out, so I decided to throw both. My one up here has my two 1060s in it, as you can see. Down below is my other one, but that one I have to get a hard drive for. And then I have my two ASIC miners, as I was saying. I have a 4 gigabyte 1650 here. I have a 4 gigabyte AMD RX 470 right below it here, as you can see. So I'll be getting those two set up since they're both 4 gigabytes. I'll be getting them set up in their own rig. And I'll be getting this one running. I had it running just with the single card, but now I have my riser and I hooked up my secondary card. Hopefully get that up and running and see. I'm just going to double check my hydro rates and stuff and see how pricing is. But yeah, overall, so far so good. It's a pretty clean setup. It's this whole room just dedicated to my mining and YouTube and things like that. Like I've said in this video, I'll be getting more additional things. I have my GPU boxes I'll be setting up on a little display too, because I just like displaying those. Those are always nice. I have a Cool Master RGB case. I was trying to move that computer over to that one, but the motherboard didn't fit into there, so if anything, I'll just set up like a mining computer in there just so we can have some RGB colors. Maybe use it for the 4 gigabyte rig here, or I can use my mining frame. All depends on if I get a mining motherboard. If not, I'll buy just a normal motherboard, throw it in there, get RGB fans and stuff set up, and go along with the RGB, like the red color on this RX 470. I just like having color coordination, making it look, cool and modern and stuff. But yeah, overall things have been going smoothly. I'm going to fire this bad boy up once I get my hydro rate calculations and stuff, just to make sure it is profitable. And if it's not, see how much, and obviously I can pay the difference on it. But I run some like different modifications when it comes to power limits and stuff. So it might be profitable just because I'm not running it at full tilt like most people do, and I'll be running it off and on. But yeah, overall things are looking smooth here. Just wanted to give you guys another update. This might conclude this video. I might get that one booted up and running just to show you guys, and that might be the end of the video, or this might be. Either way, you might see some more after this, and I hope you guys enjoy this journey with me, and hopefully we can keep expanding this mining office and computer repair office, and eventually I might even do like a face reveal video soon, maybe at like when we get closer to like that 5,000 subscriber range. I know it's a little far off still, but that's just kind of my goal right now, hit 5K, and that'll be a big milestone for me. And then, like I said, I might do a face reveal, and then we can get some maybe even like a green screen set up here, and I can do like some news videos for crypto and stuff, and do like a face reveal with it, and actually be talking on the camera. So this is my one rig fully running. These are my two 1060s. Got the one running, and then the other one running in there. I'm going to be checking out some like overclock or underclock settings just to keep it cool and power maintained, just to try my best to pull profitability. But if I can't, that's alright too, because I can just pay the difference. But as you see here, this is what I'm getting. It's only about 22 cents a day, but like I said, I'm just kind of getting used to all these settings and stuff again. My one card's running a lot warmer than the other, so it might be time for thermal paste change. But as we see here, this is what I'm getting. It is currently mining, I believe it's Zhash, through LOL miner. And again, these are just my 3 gigabyte cards. I'll be getting my 4 gigabyte rig up and going as well. But yeah, overall this is how it's looking. If you have any suggestions for overclock or underclock for the 1060 to get like the best power result but also keeping it cool, just let me know in the comments below, because that'll be greatly appreciated. But yeah, overall this is going to be my mining setup, and we'll just work with it day by day, and hopefully things go well with this, and I can bring a lot better of content to you than what I was bringing. It's going to be kind of like when my channel first started here. I'll be able to do this in-person type of tutorials again, and then just kind of show you guys even 2 gigabyte algorithms and stuff, because I got my 2 gigabyte card over there. But again, I hope you all have an amazing day, and this is Krebsy Crypto signing out.